how to schedule your on or off routine. And let's schedule a routine. Look at the screen. We can select the time we want our quick to turn on, the shutdown time, as simple as changing the time, selecting here, activating it, and the temperature we want.
Schedule.
It can be every day of the week or alternate days. This way, when we arrive at our workplace, our equipment is ready to start cooking. For example, I want my equipment to turn on at 9 in the morning. We are going to change the start time. It will be at 9. We select on the icon, and I want it to turn off at 7 in the evening. We go down to 7, mark it, and we want it to turn on all week at this same time, at this temperature, 275. Select it, and now we have it programmed so that when we arrive at our workplace, it is already preheated and ready to start working. We turn back, and that's it.